been my very best friend since high school. She's the strongest woman I've ever met, and she loves hard. She made herself into the woman she is today. Emily, you are the most beautiful bride, and I know that grandmother is watching right now, so proud of the woman you've become. Josh, I was iffy with you at first, I'll admit it, but only because my best friend deserves the world and then some. You give that to her every day. Thank you for loving her the way that you do. I think that you were handpicked by a very special woman in heaven. I couldn't imagine a better man to have the honor of marrying Emily.
Josh and Emily are two of the best friends that you could ever ask for. I know that they're going to do amazing things as a couple and have an amazing family together one day. I look at Josh as my chosen brother. We basically lived together for weeks at a time growing up, and I will never forget those moments. Josh, you are truly my best friend, and I'm here for you no matter what. As for Emily, I really thought she didn't like me about the first week that we knew each other. But after multiple midnight math tutoring sessions, I knew that we were going to become best friends. I've tried to set Josh and Emily up so many different times, and the second I gave up, Josh came to me and said they were dating. But all jokes aside, Emily and Josh are both amazing people with an amazing future together ahead of them. And I can't wait to watch them grow together and go through life with them as my best friends. I love you both, and I wish you the best of luck in life and in love.
I swam across, I jumped across for you. Oh, what a thing to do, 'cause you were all yellow. I drew a line, I drew a line for you. Oh, what a thing to do, and it was all yellow.
Now that Josh and Emily have given themselves to each other by the promises they have exchanged in the presence of God and these witnesses, it's your bride.
That part.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is my distinct privilege and honor to introduce to you for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Joshua Batson.
It's true. Look how they shine for you. 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 Look how they shine. Look at the stars. Look how they shine for you. And all the things that you do.